Hello and welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're looking to take your creativity and projects to the next level, you're in the right place. Because today we're diving into the top 5 best laser engravers in 2025 that you need to see. From precision cutting to professional grade engraving, these machines will transform the way you work with wood, metal, leather, and more. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button to stay updated with all our latest reviews. And if you're interested in any of the products we'll cover today, you'll find all the links in the description box below for easy access. The LaserPecker LP5 is a portable 6 kilogram powerhouse that combines fiber and diode lasers for ultimate versatility. It offers 10x faster engraving at 0.0027 mm precision, perfect for metals, wood, and jewelry. Whether you're creating custom keychains or phone cases, it enables instant store customization in just 15 seconds, making it ideal for mall kiosks. Its lightweight design means 92% faster setup at craft fairs compared to heavier 12 kilogram machines. With 20-watt dual lasers cutting at 10,000 millimeters per second, you can achieve 8K detailed 3D grayscale and color engraving with unmatched accuracy. This beginner-friendly yet highly precise 50-watt engraver offers 5.5 watts metal laser power, combined with a point compression technology focus of 0.08 millimeters, giving you ultra-fine, twice as thin engraving lines. It can engrave stainless steel, ceramics, and glass while maintaining smooth, fast, and accurate results. The Creality laser engraver features 10-watt output power from a 72-watt DIY machine, capable of cutting 5mm basewood or 3mm black acrylic in a single pass at up to 10,000 millimeters per minute. It's built with aluminum alloy and steel shaft guide rails for precision, with 0.06 millimeters high precision spot focus and repositioning accuracy under 0.007 inches. Safe to use, its anti-UV acrylic filter protects your eyes while engraving on wood, metal, leather, acrylic, paper, glass, and more. This makes it a versatile and high-speed cutting and engraving solution for both hobbyists and professionals. The WAINLUX K6 Pro is a compact, portable 3000 milliwatt engraver perfect for DIY projects. Despite its small size, it handles wood, leather, vinyl, cardboard, bamboo, and plastics with ease. Connectivity is seamless via Bluetooth for Android, iOS, or USB for Windows, Mac, and the free app supports multiple file formats including JPEG, BMP, PNG, and GIF. Its durable closed design, built-in exhaust fan, and protective lenses make it safe to use anywhere, providing a miniature art studio on the go. Topping our list is the xTool F1, a dual laser powerhouse combining a 2-watt fiber laser for metals and a 10-watt diode laser for wood, acrylic, and more. With industrial-grade speeds up to 4,000 millimeters per second, it can engrave complex designs in seconds, perfect for business cards, jewelry, dog tags, and tumblers. It can cut 10mm wood and 6mm acrylic, and the fully enclosed cover ensures smoke and odor-free operation. Weighing just 4.6 kilograms, the xTool F1 is ultra-portable, ideal for craft shows, flea markets, and mobile workshops.